Let's explore the facsimile of the Laurentian Gospels. A masterwork of Byzantine painting, the Laurentian Gospels is a book of Christian scripture. It opens with an incomplete set of canon tables and their explanation. Then follow the accounts of the life of Christ attributed to Saints Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. A full-page portrait of the author introduces each gospel. They are consummate examples of Middle Byzantine art. The architectural settings and the furniture are grand and richly colored. The volume of the human body is convincingly rendered, yet the gold backgrounds lend a spiritual quality. By contrast, the narrative scenes use the unpainted parchment as backgrounds. They are comparatively small in scale, with many figures assembled in narrow strips across the book's pages. The narratives unfold from left to right with more than one episode set in a continuous landscape. This means that a single character might appear more than once. On this page, for example, Christ appears 3 times in each of the 2 miniatures. The figures are only a little over a centimeter tall, but they are drawn in intricate detail. Their lively hand gestures bring the biblical stories to life on a tiny scale. And their poses are often revealing. For example, in scenes of exorcism, the possessed are shown violently doubled over as the demons are released. The storytelling is often dense. Here, Jesus' message about humility unfolds in 6 vignettes with no fewer than 25 figures. There are many scenes of Christ's ministry, including miracle cures. The parables are also illustrated, and the miniatures frequently depict both Jesus relating the tale to his disciples and the unfolding story. Although the emphasis is on action, Christian beliefs are also pictured, as here, where Christ announces that the Son of Man will return in the clouds of heaven. The manuscript offers no clue where it was made or for whom, but it must have been a prestigious commission. The facsimile was published by Treccani in Italy in 2020.